How to fix Instagram three-line option not showing. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix your Instagram three-line icon not showing up, let's go ahead and follow this quick and easy step. First and foremost, always check for your Wi-Fi connection. If you are not connected with an optimum Wi-Fi speed, then there might be some of the lag issue resulting the three-line option missing on your Instagram application. Second is there might be cache or glitch built up into your application. If you wish to remove it, it is pretty simple. Firstly, head back from your Instagram application and press and hold onto your app. Head over to App Info. From here, first thing first, tap on the Force Stop option and OK. Then head to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache option. Once you've done this, now you can try again with your Instagram launching. And I bet you will see the three horizontal line at the top. Now the last but not the least, you need to check for an update on Instagram. For that, open up your App Store or Play Store. In your App Store or Play Store, go ahead and search for Instagram. In here, instead of Open button, you will see Update. In that case, just click on the Update button and wait until your Instagram app is up to date. Then tap on the Open button once again. And I bet your issue will be solved. This sums up the end of the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.